Okay, so we're going to explore the bed of my 1987 Nissan Atlas fire truck. Have this Japanese writing on the back. Not sure what it says. Cool little Nissan logo there. The tail lights. A little step in the spare tire. The license plate holder. First we gotta do is undo these latches here. There's that one. This one. Just slide them in. Oh, it's adjustable. Didn't even realize that. Slide that one in. I need some grease. I'm gonna lower the whole bed. The tailgate, I mean. Not sure what that thing is for. But over here, there's a cool step. I have this like sliding rack here. Maybe there's a pump or something on there because it's pretty greasy. Has a little latch here. Move this, and that thing up there moves. So you can then pull this guy out. Like I said, I'm not sure what was on here, but I'm guessing some kind of pump or something. Haven't really spent too much time on this bed yet. We're exploring it together. Some clips here, not sure what those are for. Some random garbage. Of course, Japanese cigarette butts. Second Japanese car I've bought, and it's cigarette butts everywhere, just like the last one. It's a cool little bench over here. In the back, there's this cool shelf with a, looks like aluminum railing to hold something in. Some brackets there. Brackets up there that go with those round holes over there, I'm guessing. And that yellow light, again, I'm not sure what it says, but there's a zipper above it. You can poke it up through the canopy. That black thing hanging there, some other kind of bracket. The thing with the handle is a crank siren, and then a spotlight. Some more random stuff just kind of hanging off the railings and whatnot. Some rope. Some more brackets. Maybe to hold fire extinguishers or something, I don't know. Canopy's held on by these ties everywhere. We'll go play with this a little bit. I have the spotlight. Unfortunately, this wood has kind of seen better days. And it rained here the past couple days, so that didn't help. And we have this guy. He's a crank siren. So you just crank this. Like that. But probably more like this way. That's pretty fun. There's this thing. I'm not sure what it is. But thinking that maybe I'd like to take everything out of this bed and make it a more usable truck bed. But then where would I put all this fire equipment? I don't know, haven't decided yet. Looks like everything is just kind of bolt on to the bed frame. The whole canopy frame could even come off. So there you have it. Little tour of the bed of my 1987 JDM Nissan Atlas fire truck. Some more space there underneath that shelf even. I almost left out one of the funnest parts of this bed. It's this brass bell. Little plastic thing is preventing it from ringing. That's pretty cool. In the 80s, they still used brass bells on fire trucks. I love it.